I received your email about POSH. What is POSH?
Great question, Rahul. POSH stands for Prevention of Sexual Harassment at the Workplace. It's not just a policy, it's about creating a safe, respectful, and inclusive workplace for everyone.
Welcome to this POSH awareness training. POSH stands for Prevention of Sexual Harassment at the Workplace. It is a legal framework designed to ensure that every employee can work in a safe, respectful, and dignified environment. The objectives of POSH are simple but important: to prevent sexual harassment, protect the rights and dignity of employees, and promote a culture of respect, equality, and safety. Every employee has the right to work in a safe workplace, be treated with dignity and respect, and report concerns without fear of retaliation. Slide 2. What constitutes sexual harassment? Sexual harassment can occur in different forms and may not always be obvious. Verbal harassment includes inappropriate comments about appearance, sexual jokes, remarks, or offensive conversations. Physical harassment includes unwanted touching, physical advances, blocking someone's path, or any physical contact without consent. Digital harassment includes inappropriate messages, emails, online communication, or sharing offensive images and videos. Visual harassment includes displaying offensive content, inappropriate images, gestures, posters, or materials. Remember, if a behavior is unwelcome and makes someone uncomfortable, it may be considered sexual harassment. Slide 3. Real-life workplace examples. Let's understand the difference between appropriate and inappropriate workplace behavior. Appropriate behavior includes respecting personal boundaries, maintaining professional communication, promoting inclusivity, and supporting colleagues. Inappropriate behavior includes repeatedly asking for personal favors, making comments about someone's body or appearance, sending late-night personal messages, or continuing invitations after someone has declined. Professional boundaries must always be respected. Slide 4. Reporting process. If you experience or witness inappropriate behavior, it is important to speak up. Step 1. Document the incident, record important details such as the date, time, location, and what happened. Step 2. Report the incident to the internal committee or an authorized person within the organization. Step 3. Your complaint will be acknowledged, and you will receive guidance on the next steps. Step 4. A fair and confidential investigation will be conducted. Step 5. Appropriate action will be taken based on the findings, while maintaining confidentiality. Retaliation against anyone who reports a concern or participates in an investigation is strictly prohibited. Slide 5. Bystander responsibility. Creating a safe workplace is not only the responsibility of those directly affected. If you witness inappropriate behavior, you can make a difference. Support the affected person and listen without judgment. Encourage them to report the incident through the proper channels. If necessary, report serious concerns yourself, according to organizational procedures. Silence can allow inappropriate behavior to continue. Responsible action helps build a safer workplace for everyone. Slide 6. Key takeaways. Let's summarize the key messages of POSH. Respect boundaries and personal differences. Speak up against inappropriate behavior. Support colleagues who may need assistance. Maintain zero tolerance for any form of sexual harassment. Together, we can create a workplace where everyone feels safe, respected, and valued. Thank you for completing this POSH awareness training.